If a gentle hydrating cleanser that transforms from oil to foam sounds like your skincare dream, then you might want to consider the CERAVE Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser. This versatile cleanser is suitable for both face and the body, making it a worthy addition to your skincare routine. In today's video, we will dive into the benefits of this cleanser, how to properly use it, and also the do's and don'ts to be aware of. Now, the CERAVE Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser is a foaming oil-based cleanser formulated with squalene oil and triglyceride, ensuring long-lasting hydration for normal to very dry skin types. It's also even gentle enough for baby skin and allergy-prone skin. Developed alongside dermatologists, this cleanser offers a mild foaming texture that gently cleanses the skin without drying it out. When lathered onto the skin, the formula transitions from oil to foam with the add of water, effectively removing excess dirt and impurities without disrupting the skin's moisture barrier. So what makes the CERAVE Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser stand out? Now, squalene oil and triglyceride are the stars of this formula. While squalene is naturally found within the skin, the plant-derived squalene oil in this cleanser works in unison with triglyceride to replenish the skin's surface post-cleansing, providing enduring hydration. This blend makes it an exceptional squalene cleanser, especially for those with dry or sensitive skin. Now, these ingredients not only cleanse, but provide a nourishing touch that leaves your skin balanced, soft, and smooth, making sure that you don't have any sense of tightness. This cleanser also contains essential ceramides, which help to restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier, providing a hydrated and healthy complexion. Ceramides are lipids that form a protective layer, retaining moisture and shielding the skin from external irritants. The hyaluronic acid in the formulation works to retain the skin's natural moisture, making it a fantastic ingredient for avoiding dryness and promoting a plump, youthful appearance. So how do you use the CERAVE Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser? You want to first begin by wetting your skin with lukewarm water, and then you want to dispense 1 to 2 pumps of the cleanser into your hands and add water. You want to work the cleanser into your hands until you have a slight foam. Once you have a foam, then you are going to apply to your face or body, gently massaging upwards in circular motions. You're then going to rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat dry with a clean towel. If you want to go in with a second cleanse at nighttime, you're welcome to do so, or you can go in with another cleanser, and then you want to follow up with your usual skincare routine, including your serums and your moisturizer. Now, it is recommended to use this cleanser twice daily, morning and evening, to maintain a clean and hydrated complexion. However, here are some do's and don'ts when it comes to using the CERAVE Foaming Oil Cleanser. First is do a patch test. Especially if you have sensitive skin, it's advisable to perform a patch test to ensure no adverse reactions occur. Next, do add water. To get the foam, you need to add water to the cleanser in your hands and foam up before you apply to your face. Do follow up with moisturizer. This cleanser is hydrating, but following up with a moisturizer will ensure your skin remains moisturized and the skin barrier is maintained. CERAVE does recommend avoiding contact with eyes as it can cause stinging. So opt for an eye makeup remover instead to remove makeup from your eye area. To learn more about the CERAVE range, then check out these videos here next.